Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful split level property consisting of 10 bedrooms. The upper level is the main residence with 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, large living room, dining room, spacious kitchen and laundry room. The lower level consists of 5 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, which are rented to the university students, and they provide an income of over 100,000 each month. The land area of this house is 11,435 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 40 million or US $259.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.